All right, everybody, we got our first two boxes of Blaster from the Pastor 2026 Chromanium. We've opened 4 of the mega boxes, but these are our first blasters that we've got. We did pretty good with the mega boxes, but let's see how the blasters treat us here. See if we can get some decent hitties, some good cards. You never know until you rip them all. So, got a few signed and a few numbered cards so far with the 2026, and then the chrome is what kind of got me back into baseball cards. I didn't collect for a long time. I collected when I was younger, and then when the baseball strike happened when I was a young teenager, I just kind of lost all interest in baseball and sports and collecting, and I still have all my stuff, but I just kind of quit it. And then all of a sudden I started seeing some of these newer chrome cards, and I was like, man, these are like really nice. You know, growing up in the junk wax era, it's just, there wasn't too much quality, there wasn't much rarity, it was just, you know, cards. But now you got almost too many variations, and I do like the numbered cards the most, and I like some of the variations that know what they are, but some of them it does get a little bit ridiculous that you don't even know what you're looking at half the time unless you got a freaking list in front of you. So, but I mean, part of it's kind of cool because you go through the cards that you didn't think that you really had anything, and then you find out, oh, that one's actually worth some money. Go back and find it and display it on the wall and think you're special. So, haven't been sending anything out to grade myself because I don't think it's worth it, especially now that it's $80 a card to grade. So, Bobby Witt, good old Bobby Witt. That's a good bit of cards here. So let's see what we got. We got us a Mike Trout to start us out. It's a nice one there. Jacob Wilson, the gold rookie. Nice. Hurston Waldrop, the Braves. We'll take it. We got us Juan Soto, big ticket player. Michael McGreevy. Don't know much about him. Michael King. At least he's the lead leader. Otto Kemp, rookie card. Freddie Freeman, the Wrecking Crew. Trey Turner. Chase DeLauder, that's a good little rookie card there. Kyle Tucker, Mother Trucker. Owen Casey, rookie card with the red baseballs. Yeah, come on. Decent little short print. Brian Reynolds. I do see some good color back here. We might have some good ones. Brian Reynolds. Giancarlo Stanton. Parker Messick, that's a good little rookie card there. Brett Batty. Take him to the bridge. Carson Williams, rookie card. We got us a Owen Casey, rookie card, 75th. Miami. Oh man, we got us a sign card. Look at that. I didn't think I could get a sign card out of a blaster, but Heriberto Hernandez. Not numbered, but it is squiggle signed. Squiggle signed. We'll take it. A nice Mike Trout, big ticket player. We'll take all the Trouts you can send us, my guy. Freddie Peralta. Austin Riley. People were giving up on him, but now he's bringing that bat back. He ain't never lost the fielding, but he was sucking it up with the bat for a little while, but now he's doing pretty good. Yasei Kikuchi. Kikuchi. And then that's a nice little red, white, and blue Bryce Terang. Luke Kershaw. Gold rookie. Luis Morales, rookie card. Past and present. Adrian Beltre and Corey Seager, the Beaver Cleaver. Put him with that, I guess. Freddie Freeman. And it's a refractor. That's nice. Michael Garcia. Don't know him. Corey Seager again. Trey Yesavage. It's a nice little rookie card there. Got us a Christian Moore rookie card with the Ray Wave. That's one of my favorite, the Ray Waves. Bobby Witt Jr. with a massive slide. Zach Cole, the Astros. Rookie card. I do like that old school uniform they got. Noelvi Marte. William Abreu, red, white, and blue. Brenton Doyle. Tyler Soderstrom. That's a nice card there. Ozzie Smith. Kind of red, white, and blue. Chrome Rivals. Cool card. Michael Garcia. Refractor. Jonah Tong, rookie card. Gunnar Henderson. I think he's undervalued. Nice little Mike Trout, 75th anniversary card. I like that. I like it. I like it a lot. And then Dylan Cruz with the Ray Wave. Spencer Steer. Gavin Williams. So he's breaking his arm throwing it. And Jack Dreyer with the gold rookie. Got us quite a few of them gold rookies. O'Neal Cruz with the Wrecking Crew. Isaac Paredes. Taylor Walls to the window, to the walls. And a nice Kevin McGonigal. It's a hot hit there. Too bad it ain't numbered, but we'll take a future star. Kevin McGonigal. Pete Alonso. The little red balls. Pete Alonso again with the regulator. Grant Taylor. Rookie card. And Christian Moore rookie card. More. How do you like it? How do you like it? And Hunter Brown. So, all in all, pretty decent. We got us a good little numbered card. Well, not numbered, but signed card. Scriggly signed, but. And too bad he ain't a league leader, but. Jacksonville and then the Marlins in 25. So second year rookie card there signed. Maybe he'll make something of himself. Thanks for watching Big and Breaks, and like and subscribe for more ripping and tearing. Let me know what you're getting in your rips.